Now we got a replacement screen. That's a new screen that's going in. So we just have to remove these insulator, unscrew the earpiece from the old screen. You just give it a hit a little bit from this side so it's easy to come off, you know. So I like to take it with these holders, you know, these holders, because sometimes the new holders in the new screen, they are a little bit misplaced, you know. So it's all, you know, as you can see, it's in a good shape and it's not going to affect, so I just put it straight into the new screen. Now, so there are 3 screws that goes to hold the earpiece and the proximity sensor on the iPhone 11 Pro Max screen. As you can see here, 1, 2, and 3.